actually my favourite season of the year, but I want to do more than one makeup look this year. I know I've already done the Harlequin one, but I'm going to do a witch's makeup tutorial. This is for a purple witch because I've got the purple hat, so I want to like match it. Also, this is a very simple but quick and easy makeup look to look like a witch. Let's get into it. So I've got two makeup palettes I'm going to use for this makeup look. One is the James Charles, I can never pronounce his last name, makeup palette. I haven't used this for ages. This is from Morphe, and as you can see, I'm going to mostly be using the purple eyeshadow. But I'm also going to be using this eyeshadow palette as well, what my sister got me for Christmas this year, but nearly next year. I hope that makes sense, but that's what it looks like. I've just got this one out just in case I want to use like this colour or any other purples. Let's get on with the look. First thing I am going to be doing is my eyeshadow. So this is the eye primer I'm using. It's from Too Faced, and it's a 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer. So let's use that. You can use any primer that you want. So that's the eye primer on. The first colour I'm going to be using is that one there. But now I'm going to use this colour here, just a tiny bit to make it match this. So whatever you're wearing, you can easily like become a witch if you have like a different colour hat. I know most witches' colours are purple, black, white or green. Like the most common one is green. So if you want to be a green witch, you can just you can do a simple like what I'm doing but do it green. You don't have to put green all over your face if you don't want to. But this is just like a simple, quick and easy, like if you don't want to like proper go out there for Halloween, this is what this makeup tutorial is for. Just want to point out I've got psoriasis. I said this in the last video, but if you are a new subscriber or a new viewer, I've got psoriasis, so that's why that eye didn't apply that well instead of that eye. Both of my eyes have psoriasis on them, but that eye is always the worst one. I'm actually just using the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm not even using the other one now. But for the glitter, I'm going to use this colour here. So before we go on to the lipstick, I'm going to do a little spider's web. Now I just want to clarify by this point, I'm not a makeup artist. I do this for fun. I love creating it with makeup, but I am not a makeup artist. Like, that is not my job. So if this goes messed up, please don't judge in the comments. But just do as best as possible spider's web. And I haven't really got the best thingy for it. I've got this, and this is meant for a wing. So Now, as you can see, I've still got a bit of black on my eye, but that was not easy. For me, that was not easy. And if you did not know, my videos and my channel is mostly based on disabilities because I have loads of disabilities. If you want to check the videos out, I will link the playlist down below. But if it's not easy for me, I don't want to show you guys how to do it. Even though it may be fun to watch me fail, this is meant to be an easy and quick makeup tutorial. So we're gonna skip the eyeshadow, the fancy spider web. You could put mascara on, but I said this in my last video. I need to get a new mascara because lately my eyes have been really itchy and I don't know if that's the problem. So that's why I have not put on any mascara. But we're going to put on the lipstick, and it's not an average lipstick I've got. When I got the Revolution calendar, you know how weird or if you've got that Revolution calendar before, you know how random the colours are and how weird they are. But the one year that I've got it, I got these colours. Like, purple isn't Christmassy, but I got these colours. I'm probably not going to use this one, depends how it looks. I'm going to test them all out, but let me show you what they look like. This one looks like that. This one's actually darker than the other one. It doesn't look like it, but it is. And the last and final one I've got is this one. This is just a shimmer, purple shimmer. So I'm going to do that one on top of whatever lipstick I use, so it makes it a little bit more shimmery. I think I'm going to use this one because it matches that more. This is taking so long to apply. Now I'm going to put on the glitter lipstick. That's actually quite cool. It goes very well. Hasn't showed up much glittery, but it's just made the lipstick a lighter purple. So this is the final look except from the black mark. I would not recommend, if you are not a makeup artist or not really good at makeup like I am, I wouldn't recommend doing the little spider web. But if you do think you are really good at it, that is still like a simple makeup look, but this is just way more simple. Purple lipstick and purple eyeshadow, and then we're done with a little. And obviously you will wear a witch's dress or a full-on black outfit with a pop of purple. Most witches wear full-on black with a pop of green or a pop of purple, but this is my simple makeup look of turning myself into a witch. Let me know what you think. Also, you could go out like this, but just change the lipstick, because I quite like going out shopping or going places with a pop of colour. It makes me like creative, and I just love creative makeup looks. But if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know what other videos you want. Let me know what videos you want in December, because I don't know if I'm going to do the 25 days of December. I don't know yet, because now I'm doing my small business, my dot art business, my dot art by Robin business. I sell coasters and hopefully loads more stuff in the future. And I'm also working now, so I don't know yet, but give me like Christmas ideas down in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye!